Hey everyone, this is Ayush from lawyer10x.com. Today I'm going to show you how I have signed 135 personal injury cases through Google Ads. I have spent $106,000 to sign these cases. The average cost to acquire a case in this is less than $1,000. Now, this is not the industry average. Average cost for a signed case across industry is from 800 to 1500, sometimes even $2,000, but we are able to achieve this results in under $1,000 by following these strategies that I'm going to show you. But first I want to show you the proof that I have actually done this. You can see this is the Google Ads account, and let me refresh this so that you can see the cost is $106,000. Average cost per click is $51. Cost per conversion is 887 bucks. Now Google does not accurately track all the conversions, so let me show you the exact tracking sheet which my intake team uses to get their bonuses per signed case. Now these are all the cases that have been signed by us. This is from the month of December. We have signed around 15 cases. 9 of them were approved. Now for this month it is around 4. For the previous month, for November, it was 15 cases. Before that, it was 14 cases. Yeah, before in October as well, it was 15 cases. Now, on an average, we are signing 15 cases every single month for this law firm. Let me explain you how I am able to do this. So we are using Google's ads platform to sign these cases. That means whenever someone is searching for a car accident lawyer in your city, we are making sure that your ad shows up at the top and they can click on the ad and then they can call us and sign up with us. This is the exact keyword targeting and the campaigns that we are currently running for this law firm. You can see for just a single keyword, we have spent $64,000 over a period of time, and we have signed so many cases. It is 135 to be exact. Now, before moving on, I want to show you what were the actual cases that were signed. You can see this is one of the case. You can see it was a pretty bad, like, car was totally total. Like, this is another case which we have signed. Now of course I have hidden all the private information of the client because we cannot share it, but you can see from these images these were pretty good cases that we have signed. You can see this as well. This was a head injury, and then this was a dog bite case, multiple car accident case. You can see 3 cars were involved. This is another case. Now this was a burn accident case. Now, this was a product liability case. This is another car accident case. We have signed multiple of them. Like, this is another car. You can see this was a very severe case that we have signed. Yeah. So, the proof is in the pudding. You can see all these cases are signed by us through Google Ads. Now, for this video, I want to focus on one specific part of Google Ads, that is the landing page. What are the key important things that you need to keep in mind while you are running your Google Ads? What are the optimizations you need to do in your landing page so that you don't waste your money? Let me be very honest. We are spending between 100 to $300 per click. That is not per lead, that is not per call, that is per click. So we have to make sure that maximum number of people, when they click on our ad, they call us. Now, in the Google PPC's platform, landing page is the number one thing to get those calls because you can get the clicks. But if they are going to your home page, you are losing a lot of money on the table. So, I would be sharing the 5 most important things that you need to keep in mind while testing out your landing pages for these campaigns. Hundreds of thousands of dollars are being spent to get traffic on these landing pages. You need to listen to this video. Now let's get to the first part. The number one point is speed is everything. The landing page load speed must be less than 2 seconds. That is a must. If it takes more than 2 seconds, then people will leave and your click would be wasted. That means you are wasting hundreds of thousands of dollars. So there is a study that for every second delay, your traffic is reduced by 30%. To improve these metrics, you need to track two softwares. Number one is Google Page Speed Insights, and second is GT Metrics. Let me show you one of my landing pages, Speed GT metrics. You can see this is one of my landing pages. Its performance is 86%, structure is 87%. That means it is above 80. Your landing pages must be above 80, and for Google page speed insight, it must be above 90 for the mobile version, because most of the traffic is coming through mobile. So this is the actual mobile landing page. You can see this is the actual mobile landing page. The speed is very fast. It is under 2 seconds. Now, the second important thing is headline must be clear and big. It must be the same as you are claiming in your Google Ads. For example, if someone is clicking for your ad and he is clicking on car accident lawyer Kansas City or car accident lawyer New York, then in the landing page that must be targeted. For example, this is a landing page for specifically car accident lawyer. Now you can see car accident lawyer is at the top. That is one of the most important thing. For every keyword variation, there must be a separate landing page. For example, this is a landing page for truck accident lawyer. He's a client in California. So you can see this is a separate page, and this is also a separate page. You should never send the traffic to your home page. You are simply wasting your money if you are directly sending them to the home page, which is not optimized. If people do not understand what's on your landing page in under 5 seconds, they will leave. I have seen it multiple times in the heat maps that they don't even scroll down. 80% of the traffic is just on the first above the fold. The title or the headline must be big, it must be clear. Now let's get to the third point. Your call to action button must be obvious. Let me show you how. Now this is the landing page of Morgan & Morgan. Now you can see the call to action button is looking very different from the remaining of the page. It must be within the reach of your thumb. That means you can easily click on that just by using your thumb. Very easy. So this is the page of Morgan. You can see it is very easy to click it. It is very different. Now let me show you some of our landing pages. Now you can see the call to action is pretty different. Like it is of a different color than the background, which is black here. And you can see the call to action is available everywhere on the page. Same is the case with this landing page. You can see it is a very clear call to action button with the phone number clearly visible. Now, fourth, and one of the most important points is above the fold. That means whenever you are on a landing page, the above the fold is the most important part of the landing page. 80% of people will not even scroll past this. So this is what they will see when they click on your landing page. This is above the fold. Same is the case with this landing page. Everything important must be above the fold. That means what are the most important things in this landing page? The headline, the call to action, and some of the points why they should call us. For example, for this landing page, it's 100% free case evaluation. Pay $0 out of pocket fee. Get the max money that you deserve. You don't pay unless we win your case. Now, these are very important things that we are claiming at the top, and here as well. The Google reviews, these are very important. How many Google reviews do you have? Same is the case with this landing page. For example, millions recovered in Florida. This is a very good claim that we are able to make here. Most of the people would not scroll down. That means they must have the ability to understand what's going on here and call from there directly. Now, the fifth point is one problem, one solution. That means on your landing page, you don't have to solve all the problems in the world, only the problem that the visitor is there for. For example, if the visitor is searching for a car accident lawyer, then on the landing page, it must only be talking about car accidents. The photos must be of car accident, the testimonials must be of car accident, everything must be of car accident. Now, let me show you one of the landing pages which is specifically only for truck accident lawyer. Now, this landing page only talks about truck accident. Now, here a photo of truck is there. Now, 100% free consultation, pay $0 out of pocket, and then millions recovered for clients in Florida. It is localized and talks about only truck accident. Now here is a small form, then the photo of the attorney, then the key selling points, why they should call them. They have 50 years of combined experience. And this is another selling point. Attorney even shares their personal phone number to the client so that they are guided every step of the way. Like these are some of the points that everyone could not claim. That was the reason that this landing page got a conversion rate of more than 50%. That means one out of two people were calling. Now this is very high. Like industry average is like 3 to 5%. What our average is it 10 to 20%. Now, this was the highest converting landing page till now. Now here, because it's a truck accident case, we are claiming maximum cash for your truck crash. So it is very relevant. So these are the social proof. Like this is our track record. Why they should hire us? It answers that. And you can see in the last there's a map as well. The call to action button is as like it is throughout the landing page, so you can take example from this landing page because this is one of the highest converting landing pages that we have developed. Now let me share some bonus points after the 5 points. You should only focus on mobile landing pages because 80 to 90% of our signed cases they are only from mobile. Like we don't even bid for the desktop keywords. So that is the importance of mobile. Like I have not even shown you what the desktop landing page looks like. Another selling point is the social proof. That means what is the feedback of the people that have worked with you. Now, if you are using it in the native Google tab, like it would be more trustworthy. You can see, for example, in this tab, this is a native Google tag that we have integrated here. So this increases the conversion because people trust you more. So let's recap. The most important point is the speed of the landing page. If it is not loading on time, it does not even matter what's in it because people won't stay. Then the second most important point is the headline must be similar to the ad copy. It must be the very same. It should be relevant and same. Third and one of the most important points is call to action button. It must be different, it must be very clear because that is the reason that we are spending so much money so that they can click and they can call us. Fourth, and one of the most important points is above the fold is everything. 50% of people would not even scroll one time. In the first screen, it must cover each and everything that you wanna convey without the scroll. And fifth point is don't overcomplicate it. Just see what's working and model around it. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Don't be lazy. Don't send the traffic to your home page. You would be wasting a lot of money. So, if you are a personal injury lawyer and want to sign a minimum of 5 new accident cases in the next 30 days, you can book a free consultation with me. The first 5 cases that we deliver to a law firm, it's free. That means you don't have to pay us anything for the first 5 cases. If you are a personal injury lawyer and want to sign 5 new auto accident cases within the next 31 days without any monthly retainers or any upfront cost, you can book a consultation with me. I will hop on a call and I will share the whole strategy with your law firm so that even if you don't want to work with us, you can implement it by yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you improve your landing pages and stop wasting your money. Bye.